We were having so much fun this evening at our host, Jay Marvin and Sigrid has been treating us awesome. And this is the extent of our set list, and that's like 3 million written on it. So we're just having too much fun to make a real list. But I love playing fiddle with Mr. Sammy Lynn right here. We get to travel a lot as a four-piece, Sammy and Nadine and Jesse Leger and I. And Sammy and I guess we've never really worked anything out, but we do have some that we like to play. And we'll try to look at one for you right here. I'm sorry, we're just trying to come up with the most perfect song for you. You want to cross? Alright, we're going to play you, normally I would cross tune 2, but my fiddle doesn't like being in Alaska, so I'm not going to do it because it'll just be more out of tune for the rest of the set. But Sammy's going to, because his fiddle's used to northern climates since they live in Whitehorse. This is a beautiful old waltz. It's kind of weird. It's a strange thing in Louisiana. I guess it doesn't really fit in there. I don't know where it does fit in, but it's a beautiful old waltz that Dennis McGee recorded back in the 20s, something that he wrote for his longtime musical accomplice, Mr. Sadie Corville. He called it the Corville McGee Waltz. So there's probably a little bit of that right now. Probably going to something else. house, I guess, and we just kept playing and we were cycling through and playing all kinds of different music, and that's what we really like to do, just get together and kind of jamming. I'd like to have Reeve and Caleb sing y'all one right now called Somebody Loves You, Darling. Something we probably should have done last night, but we didn't think of it in time.
Actually, Nadine and Sammy are going to sing it.
I quit.
It's been a long week. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey y'all, how about the Foghorn String Band here? Cedric wrote that. We're going to play y'all one more. It's been really amazing being in Anchorage. Cedric and I have this enormous cooler to take home. I mean, it's this giant cooler of stuff that people have given us since we've come to Alaska. This moose meat and salmon and had a great time. I can't say that enough. I mean, we're just walking on air here. We're gonna play you one more called what is it? You used to have some, but you're not getting any more. So hopefully you will get some more Cajun music though. And come down to Louisiana sometime. You know, we got a lot of amazing festivals down there, and I think you'd find a lot of stuff you could relate to.
It's like a hot Alaska.
It's like just a really hot Alaska. Come see us sometime. Look us up. Me and Cedric are always around, and Cedric would be happy to take y'all out on his little TV program he's got while Watson outdoors.
And I'll be here for Joel Savoy and Cedric Watson.
Get in touch with me and I'll take you on some tours. Got a thing. Because I know where they are, but I can't call them without shooting.
Thank y'all so much. Here we go. Tony's on our
by accident back at dinner. And we decided to try and mix this one up and get Cedric on the banjo. He's a great banjo player. Wow, Watson on the banjo. Wow, this one called Train 45. Woo!